This is feedback for Saud on WR2. First of all, you're getting a lot better. A lot of good things in this essay. You add a lot of nice transitions. I like the background info you give in the intro. You did mostly good part with the formatting, but there's a couple things that you messed up with the formatting, like the header should be in the corner and adding the ID and the number to the top right. And also you need a title. So this is actually okay. But over here on the right, you need to have page number and your ID, and you need to have a title for your writing. Always give a title. Okay. So also very important, thesis. Very, very, very important. So in your essay, like I said, you did a good job of giving some like little background information. I like those little sentences there. I don't prefer asking a question in a writing essay. I don't think it's as academic and formal as it could be, but it's okay. So I'm not going to ask you to change that. But this is definitely very, very wrong. Your thesis is not accurate at all. It must be similarities and differences. For example, this essay will focus on the differences between morning and evening classes, which are the amount of sleep and the amount of leisure time students can get. That is a accurate thesis. This is not. You're really just making you're making like a opinion essay talking about you believe that, you know, what you believe about evening classes versus morning classes. And that's not what this essay is about. And that will definitely have you fail just because of that. So that's very, very important. And then that also comes down into your topic sentences. So your topic sentences are not accurate as well. This is not a topic sentences. It should be something like the first major difference between blah, 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 blank and blank are the amount of hours students can sleep. That's much better topic synthesis than what you wrote here. You decide to, you know, this is not accurate. This is topic synthesis has to tell me exactly what this paragraph is going to be about, and this should be about the first major difference. And you kind of go into the differences here. It's really like a cause and effect type of thing that you're writing here, or opinion essay. So you really need to rewrite this and rewrite it with the idea of you're trying to prove that the biggest difference between morning classes and evening classes is the amount of sleep. So you need to kind of refocus this. And then the same thing for the second body paragraph. The exact same thing. So also don't forget to include a concluding sentence at the end of your body paragraphs 1 and 2. And remember, the concluding sentence is reversing the topic sentence, which is the one that I just gave you here. In your conclusion, very important, you need to restate your thesis, which is reversing your thesis. And also give me a prediction, because here you kind of give me advice, but you don't give me any prediction. So make those changes, print it out, and bring it on Thursday.